Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to minimize YouTube on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, you need to update your YouTube app. To do this, you need to be in your App Store, so open the App Store. Here, search for YouTube. If there is an update available, just tap Update and the app will be updated. Now locate and launch the YouTube app on your iPhone. Here, browse through videos and choose the one you want to watch. Once you find the video, tap on the video to start playback. While the video is playing, swipe up from the bottom of the screen towards the top with a quick flicking motion. The video will shrink and transition into a minimized window. You can drag the minimized video window around your screen to position it wherever you like. You can also pinch in or out on the window to resize it. Even when minimized, you can tap on the minimized window to access basic playback controls like play and pause, skip forward or backward, and adjust volume. Note, make sure picture-in-picture mode is enabled on your iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, then open General. Here, tap Picture-in-Picture and ensure the toggle is switched on. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.